Now we will solve one problem on vector line integral. Okay, and the problem is evaluate integral over C f dot dr where vector f is equal to xyi plus x square plus y square j along, first question, the path of the straight line from 0, 0 to 1, 0 and then to 1, 1. Okay, and the second question is the straight line joining origin and 1, 2. So you need to evaluate this integral over these two. Okay, so we will write f first in the question. Vector f is equal to xyi plus x square plus y square j. Then write r. R nothing but xi plus yj. And now apply differential operator, find out dr. So dr is equal to dxi plus dyj. Okay. Then to evaluate the integral, you need to find out f dot dr. So find out the dot product of f and dr. So f dot dr will be xy into dx plus x square plus y square into dy. And you already know that I dot I and j dot j equal to 1. Okay. So after finding out f dot dr, you need to substitute the same in f dot in the integral. Okay. So we are calling this as the integral which we have to evaluate as I. So I is equal to integral over C f dot dr. Now we have substituted f dot dr and called it as equation number 1. Okay. Now we will consider first question. Okay. First question is evaluation of I over the straight line from 0, 0 to 1, 0 and from 1, 0 to 1, 1. So after plotting the points here, you need to there will be two straight lines. Okay, so OA and AB. Okay, so you are evaluating this I over OA and also AB. Okay, so you are splitting this integral over C as integral over OA plus integral over AB, and you are calling these two as I1 and I2. Now to find out the answer of the first question, you need to find out I1 and I2. Okay, now we will see I1 first. I1 is along OA. Okay, so along OA, you can easily observe x is varying from 0 to 1 and y is equal to 0. So y is equal to 0 is fixed, that you write y is equal to 0 and also find out dy. Okay, and now write x is varying from 0 to 1. So x varies from 0 to 1. Okay, and to convert this f dot dr to single variable, you need to substitute all these things in I1. Okay, so first you write I1. I1 is nothing but integral over OA f dot dr. So in the place of f dot dr, this expression will be there. In this expression, you are putting y is equal to 0 and dy is equal to 0. So y is present in first term, which is 0, and dy is present in the second term. So both are zeros. So the value of I1 is 0. So we got I1 is equal to 0. So after finding out I1, move to I2. I2 is along AB. Okay, so along AB, you can easily observe x is equal to 1 is fixed. Okay, and y is varying from 0 to 1. So which is fixed, that you write along AB x is equal to 1 and find out dx. Dx is equal to differentiation of constant 0. Okay, and then write the variation of the other variable, that is y varies from 0 to 1, and now use this in I2. Okay, so I2 is equal to integral over AB f dot dr, f dot dr in the sense this one, and here you need to substitute x is equal to 1 and dx is equal to 0. So in the first term, dx is 0. Okay, so first term is 0, and in the second term you are putting x is equal to 1. X is equal to 1 you have substituted, and the function becomes 1 plus y square into dy, and you will write the variation of y as the f dot dr converted to single variable y, write the variation of y as 0 to 1. So after that, integrate the expression to get the answer. So integration of 1 is y and integration of y square is y cube by 3. On application of upper limit and lower limit and simplification, you will get 4 divided by 3. So the value of I2 is 4 by 3. Now substitute I1 and I2 in equation 2. Okay, so you will get I is equal to 4 divided by 3. Now coming to second question, you have to evaluate I over the straight line joining origin and 1 comma 2. Okay, so C is the straight line joining origin and 1 comma 2. So the formula for straight line joining 2 points will be y minus y1 by x minus x1 equal to y2 minus y1 divided by x2 minus x1. By using 2-point form of a straight line, if you substitute x1 y1 x2 y2 in the formula, you will get y is equal to 2x. And you already know we need to convert this expression to single variable. Okay, so for that reason they have given this condition. So we have obtained y is equal to 2x, and now we'll find out dy. Dy is equal to 2 into dx. So y you are writing in terms of x. So in the integral only x will be there. So you need to write the variation of x here. So x is varying from 0 to 1. Okay, x is varying from 0 to 1. Y you are substituting as 2x and dy you are writing as 2 into dx. And now using all these things in equation number 1. So I is equal to integration 0 to 1 variation of x. Okay, and then x as it is, y you are writing as 2x substituted, dx as it is, and x square plus y square is there in the next second term. Y you are writing as 2x, so y square is 4x square, and dy is 2 into dx. So after substitution you and simplification, you will get 12x square. Okay, and integration of x square is x cube divided by 3, applying limit from 0 to 1. Okay, so on simplification you will get simplification in the 3 ones are 3 fours are, so you will get 4 as the answer for second question. Okay.